Mastering Adverbs of Degree. Amp up your English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. In today's lesson, we are delving deeper into the world of adverbs. Adverbs of degree to be precise. We will focus on how to use them correctly in your sentences to convey intensity or amount. Let's get started. First, let's get a grasp on what adverbs of degree are. Adverbs of degree are used to provide information about the intensity, degree, or manner of the action that is taking place. They tell us about the extent or amount of an action, an adjective, or another adverb. Examples include words like very, quite, almost, to, enough, and so on. They are usually placed before the word they modify. Now that we've defined what they are, let's look at how to use these adverbs of degree in sentences. 1. With verbs. When an adverb of degree modifies a verb, it is usually placed before the verb. For example, 2. I completely agree with you. 3. With adjectives. When an adverb of degree modifies an adjective, it is placed before the adjective. For example, 4. She is extremely intelligent. 5. With other adverbs. Similarly, when an adverb of degree modifies another adverb, it is placed before that adverb. For example, 6. He runs incredibly quickly. Now, it's time to put your knowledge to the test with some practice exercises. 1. Add an appropriate adverb of degree in the blank space. 2. It is, blank, cold outside. 3. He, blank, loves his dog. 4. Rewrite the following sentences using an adverb of degree. 5. She is talented. 6. They run fast. Make sure you practice these exercises and check your answers. That's all for today's lesson on adverbs of degree. By now, you should be more comfortable with identifying and using these adverbs in your sentences. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any new grammar concept. Keep practicing, and you'll absolutely nail it. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!